What if one of the most powerful things you could do for your body? It didn't require a gym membership, fancy equipment, or some crazy intense workout. What if something as simple as walking could slowly transform your health, your energy, and even the way you age? Sounds almost too easy, right? But here's the thing: most people seriously underestimate how powerful daily walking can be. It's simple, it's natural, and almost anyone can do it. Yet when you start doing it every single day, your body begins to change in ways that might surprise you. One of the first things people notice when they start walking daily is a boost in energy. Yeah, I know it sounds backwards. You'd think moving more would make you feel tired. But in reality, the opposite usually happens. When you walk, your blood starts circulating better. Oxygen moves through your body more efficiently, and your muscles and brain get the fuel they need. That afternoon crash a lot of people deal with. It often starts fading away. Instead of feeling sluggish, you start feeling more awake and ready to go. Another big change happens in your stress levels. Life gets busy, work piles up, and our minds never seem to shut off. But walking has this amazing way of calming everything down. As you move, your body releases endorphins, those natural feel-good chemicals that help lift your mood. Even a quick 20-minute walk can clear your head and help you reset mentally. That's why so many health experts, including the American Heart Association, recommend walking as one of the easiest ways to support both physical and mental health. Your heart also starts benefiting in a big way. When you walk consistently, your heart becomes stronger and more efficient at pumping blood throughout your body. Over time, this helps support healthier blood pressure and better circulation. According to research supported by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, regular walking can play a huge role in maintaining cardiovascular health. Then there's weight management. Now, walking might not feel as intense as a hardcore workout, but don't let that fool you. When done consistently, it burns calories, supports your metabolism, and helps your body regulate weight more naturally. Over weeks and months, those daily steps really add up. Something else that surprises a lot of people is how much their sleep improves. When your body moves during the day, it helps balance your internal clock, your circadian rhythm. That means when nighttime rolls around, your body actually feels ready to rest. Many daily walkers notice they fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed. Your joints also start thanking you. Movement helps lubricate the joints and strengthen the muscles that support them. That's especially important as we get older. Regular walking keeps the hips, knees, and ankles moving smoothly and helps reduce stiffness. In fact, the Arthritis Foundation often recommends walking as one of the best low-impact exercises for maintaining joint health. Your brain benefits too. Walking increases blood flow to the brain, which can support better memory, sharper focus, and improved overall cognitive function. Some research even suggests that regular walking may help protect brain health as we age. In other words, those daily steps aren't just helping your body, they're helping your mind stay sharp too. Another change people often notice is better posture. When you walk regularly, your core, hips, and back muscles become more active and balanced. Over time, this can help you stand taller and move with more confidence. Good posture doesn't just look better, also reduces strain on your back and neck. And then there's your mood. Getting outside, feeling the sunlight, breathing fresh air, it all adds up. Walking outdoors especially can boost vitamin D levels and help your body feel more connected to natural rhythms. Even a short walk can take you from feeling drained and overwhelmed to feeling lighter and more focused. But maybe the most powerful change isn't physical at all. It's the mindset shift. When you commit to walking every day, even if it's just for 15 or 20 minutes, you start seeing yourself as someone who takes care of their health. That small habit builds momentum. One healthy choice leads to another, and before you know it, your entire lifestyle starts improving. So yeah, walking might seem simple, but simple doesn't mean weak. When you do it consistently, step by step, it can become one of the most powerful habits for your long-term health. Now I'm curious, do you already walk every day, or are you thinking about starting? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more simple health tips that can help you stay stronger, healthier, and more active every day.